Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of a homemade burrito that I made, some guacamole and some corn tortilla chips, the Target's brand. Yeah, I have a slight headache today, so it's like I'm hungry, but I don't know. I guess it's just my sinuses just draining. I don't know what the heck's going on. I'm assuming it's because I'm hungry. And I have Truly Pineapple. And I don't think this is the right thing to drink with this, so I'm just going to have I'm probably going to end up drinking the Dr. Pepper. So we'll see how that actually goes. It's been a long day. Seems like. But yeah, this is just the regular ground beef burrito. I put cream cheese, Mexican fiesta cheese in it, and I think that's it. And of course, I seasoned the ground beef, put some taco seasoning in it. So yeah, it's pretty good. Well, I liked it. It's a little meal that I tried to make last throughout the week on Sunday. Oh, this one didn't have no meat, or it barely had meat, but yeah. Pretty good. I like it. Sometimes I'll be surprised that my food tastes good. Sometimes I just don't like the taste of anything. It's truly, all the other ones that I tried so far have been pretty good. That had a truly, I think mango, and well, never mind. The mango was good. It was just the watermelon kiwi one was pretty horrible. Kind of awkward taste. But yeah. Some of the burritos I put, I like double wrapped it because I wanted, basically, I didn't get the right tortilla shells. I ended up getting the baby, basically, street tacos. So I double wrapped it. That's why they kind of small. So yeah. Pretty good. I got one more left, so see how that goes. And that was just like with a I think I had made 1 pound of the taco meat that I had, like altogether I had like probably like 10, something like that. So it's weird. Dang, I feel like I got something in my eyes. I think the pollen level was outrageous today. What the heck is going on? So I'm not chugging this. I have to go to work in the morning, that's all I gotta say. I would, but it seems like I'm a low weight these days. I get tipsy off of basically anything, really, it seems like. should have took the other one. Could, but yeah. I could eat guacamole on its own. Tastes really good. I don't even remember where I got this dang bowl thing from. What the heck? What the heck? Somebody's restaurant or something? What the heck? I don't even remember. Yeah, probably. I think I'm officially done with ordering stuff off of DoorDash and stuff like that and having people bring food to me. Hey, nah. Ever since that time I threw up, I said F it. F all that crap. F y'all. F whatever. Who the heck done something to my food? F golden chick. Just F everybody. Like, what the heck? I ain't ordering no fast food crap anymore. I mean, like, I go out and, like, I don't know. But never mind, I take that back. I did eat some root Chris, and I ate some heartache. So yeah, that's besides the point though. But yeah, I think I'm done with like stuff like that. I'm done eating out in general. I just hopefully once in a while, like probably once or twice every 3 to 4 months, but nah, I can't do it. It was storming bad over here earlier. It's been like bipolar. I'm guessing ever since the time change, it's been like, I mean, this whole year has been wow as far as the weather, but dang, it was just sunny this morning. I don't know what the heck. I don't know what to believe these days. Yeah. Yeah, that that was interesting. That Texas, yeah. Can't trust them. Dang. I'm really, really, really intrigued at how Target run their like delivery with ship it compared to like Walmart through DoorDash. It's like, I mean, I ran the second time, I ran into somebody that was kind of odd. But other than that, this is my third time using it. It's pretty good or whatever, but well, this is my fourth time using it. Actually, besides that time with that ghetto stuff going on, it was pretty good. But I think I prefer to actually just get it picked up from Target. I would prefer to go in, but like, nah, it's like a big jump. I haven't been in a physical store in a long time. It's been a while. I feel like it'll be like awkward. Pretty good. I'm not gonna drink this Dr. Pepper because I need to like have a really good burp or whatever. But salute. Dang, that felt better. Okay. Alrighty now. Ooh. I'm gonna save the burrito for my last ship. Well, I'm gonna save the last bit for my burrito. I mean, as far as my guacamole. It was pretty good. You know, sometimes I be thinking, like, other people be saying my food is good, but I be thinking it's trash. Like, I really can't remember a day that I didn't think my food was like really, really good, but it was like some days. That's awkward. It is awkward. I like everybody else's food, really. Well, I love when other people cook, because I don't have to be doing all that other stuff. I used to not even like cooking, like turkey and chicken, like touching the whole meat by itself. I didn't really like that. Well, I knew I had to actually live and eat or whatever, and I like chicken and turkey or whatever. I would cook it that way. But as far as now, I don't even like looking at chicken. I don't like touching it. I don't even like smelling it. I don't like doing none of that stuff. Excuse me. I don't even like looking at ground beef these days either. So I could stand ground beef back in the days, but now I just can't even look at it. creeping me out. That's all I gotta say. Oh, I am done. Looks pretty good. A good thing I didn't put the other burrito in the oven. I don't think I'll be able to eat it. It was a lot. What? I don't know. I'm really thinking about trying like different things as far as going out, playing matchmaker, or just going out and just doing new things, meeting new people, just to get a good like sense of life before everything crashes or whatever happens or whatever. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe traveling. I don't know. Anything will be fun right about now because it's like just a lot of crap. I guess I prefer to actually do things in my life instead of just like doing the same thing every day, work and all that crap. So yeah, maybe I should. That'll be interesting. Or even, I don't know, just to get one out. Oh man, yeah, that was good. I like that. Yeah, I'll probably make it 3 or 4 months from now because I don't want to get burnt out. That felt better. If it say all this stuff on the bottle, it say alcohol, volume alcohol, hard seltzer, and then they have to warn people on the back to say it contains alcohol. I guess some kids got it before. What the heck? What? I guess. Yeah. I really think you shouldn't be worried about your whole carbs or sugar intake. Sometimes if you're drinking a certain type of, if you're drinking alcohol, why are you worried about that type of stuff? But I guess it's understood that this it's like gluten free. So that's, I guess, the people who need to actually indulge in it, they choose wisely. I had to look last time because I had something black in my freaking teeth last time. I was like, yeah, these MFers gonna think I have moldy teeth and all that shit. Yeah. I probably would have still had my braces on if I wouldn't have got them off at that time. That's weird. I still had them on. I don't understand when I was getting braces, they wanted all this out of me or whatever, and I shouldn't have lost my retainers the first time, but they wanted to remove some of my permanent teeth, not 4 permanent teeth and then 4 of my wisdom teeth. I had to get those 4 of my wisdom teeth pulled out because that was horrible. And it was really, really cheap when I got mine for like $40. I was like, what the heck? But yeah, they wanted to remove overall eight of my teeth. And I was like, nah, I can't do it. That was just awkward. I couldn't picture myself just looking like I have fake teeth. I wanted some straight teeth or whatever, but I wanted to make it seem like they're realistic, not like veneers or anything. I've seen people, they have like real teeth that look like veneers, and that's kind of awkward. And I somewhat wanted my teeth to somewhat define me, and I couldn't have pictured it with just having like straight, awkward teeth that look perfect, like absolutely perfect, because that wouldn't have been me. It wouldn't have fit with my bone structure, if that makes sense. So yeah. Let me finish this to drink. This is gonna be my my drink for the next time I go out or whatever, or whenever, or occasionally drink or whatever. And I'll be looking at my videos sometimes, and when I'm editing, sometimes when I be looking at my videos, before I upload them or whatever, I be thinking like I have a bunch of filler words that I say, and it's just like I just did that. It's somewhat annoying when I'm at work and I hear that type of stuff. Somewhat annoying sometimes, but understandably, sometimes I don't even be like I be in my right state of mind. I just be like tired or just not fully aware, if that makes sense. And I don't be like, I be really involved in the video, but I just be like blah. I'm just speaking for myself, and sometimes I get tangled up in the words because I don't want to offend anyone, if that makes sense. So that's somewhat hard. I don't know. That's a lot. Yeah. I'm really not honestly for sure how I would like to go about this year, because I got stuff planned what I would want to do, but yeah. Okay, let me finish this off. Yeah. Oh. Okay. That was somewhat hidden for something, but yeah. Oh my God. What the heck? And then that's another thing. Every time I actually upload a video, I actually rewatch the video for the 50th time, like on YouTube or whatever, and I'm like, what the heck? Judging myself. It's not even a big deal. Yeah, these people are crazy as heck over here. Yeah, I'm ready to move. Yeah, this whole section, I feel like it's a mental case. I don't know, sometimes I met some wonderful people. They left already. The people that stay by me, they're cool. They mind their business. Um, but everybody else, people all the way across there, off crazy mental health. Yeah, all of them, basically everybody. And yeah, I do not want to be in an area where a mental patient actually stab someone in the breezeway and go back to sleep. So yeah, this is not the area that I want to be in currently. I was thinking, like, I don't know. I wouldn't even know.